Hey guys, I haven't made a video in a while and it's been really busy. So it's not snowing today though. It's actually really pretty outside, and I'm just leaving Godsey & Associates, the studio space, and my wife is there taking care of some stuff. The cable and everything's getting hooked up in there, and I had some stuff to pick up and drop off, and video equipment and that kind of thing. So doing that, got some other things. Going to be back in the studio later today. I'll get some video of that. I'm really excited about how the record's turning out. Very excited. Really blessed to have the space to do it, and the encouragement of my family, and my Camry, which, you know, that gets me back and forth. So encouraged by that as well. And so it's been a fun process. And so I'll post some video of that later. But I do want to say thanks. We hit a milestone today, 20 subscribers on YouTube. It's pretty crazy that anybody would be interested at all. And I don't even think my mom is one of the subscribers. So take that for what it is. But we'll post some video in the studio later and play some clips from the couple of new songs, literally new songs that I just wrote over the weekend. And I struggled with a couple of the songs that we had decided to put on there. And I was inspired in church this weekend to with a couple of title ideas and a couple of furthering an idea that I'd had before. And so I just sat down and put my nose to the grindstone and got these two done. So I'm really excited how they turned out. The kids are helping me with one, singing on it. My parents are going to sing a little on it, so that's fun. So it'll be cool, and maybe I'll post some video of those later on. So thanks for watching, and to everybody that subscribed, thank you. I really appreciate it. We'll be back. My wife and I are together, and we are running some errands together, briefly. And then I'm gonna get back at it in the studio, but she asked me to go with her. I said I would. So here we go.
Yay me.
So we are doing that, taking this time to talk about some strategies and some other things that we need to do. And we left the girls at Grandma and Papa's, and Papa just surprised Allison with a very special gift that we may throw some video in of that. So that was pretty cool. But we'll be back at the studio here in just a little bit, get some more work done on the vocals, plugging along. Do you?
Why are you giving me a truck?
Because I love you.
Ollie, you're so cute.
What did you say to me a couple of weeks ago? Apple.
I don't know.
Your car, because then she can give it to me.
Oh, I did say that. I did say
Yeah,
that.
Cadence, way to go.
But you love your truck.
So,
But he loves Ellie more.
And Kate.
You and kid.
here,
That was
stand by
second
the
thought.
ribbons.
You, with your football. Football get on the other side.
I get a truck? This is crazy. I saw the boys.
Are you in
I know
shock?
I am. I was not expecting this at all.
What do you say?
Thank you. I was so shocked. Why we were supposed to be clean.
One day, maybe today.
Okay.
Perfect. I know I missed it. For a perfect. I don't like to record. I'm not used to that.
All right, now give me
Jesus is waiting.
no. Jesus,
Same note.
Jesus, eighth notes, straight eighth notes. Jesus is waiting. Yep. It's actually eighth note,
Jesus is waiting.
quarter note, dotted quarter note.
It doesn't matter. Just sing it for
Okay.
me.
Jesus is waiting.
Jesus is waiting.
All right, one more time.
I will live the life I've known. Jesus is waiting to welcome his own.
Okay. Now, last part is for a perfect. Jesus is waiting. Yep. Yeah. Say it a little more staccato. Jesus is waiting.
I will leave the life I've known.
Jesus is waiting.
Yep.
Jesus is waiting.
To welcome. I could go, but the pain